Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to do a comparison video between the Hermes Bolide 27 and the Constance in size 24. So why did I want to do this video was because when I was thinking to purchase my Constance 24, I was wondering how does it compare in terms of capacity, storage capacity with the Bolide 27. I've tried to do some YouTube search to check on this information, but I wasn't able to get any information. So now that I have purchased my Constance 24, I thought it would be good to do a video to share with you guys what is the storage capacity of the two bags. Of course, these are two different bags in terms of sizing. This I believe is the 27 cm and this Constance is 24 cm. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm carrying now inside my Bolide 27. I don't usually carry that much, but as you can see, it's quite stuffed now. But I try to put in as much things as possible, so to highlight the storage for the Bolide 27. Surprisingly, it can fit a lot, and as compared to the Constance in size 24. Okay, let me just quickly do this video as I need to run out of the house for an appointment. How I stuffed the Bolide, I hope you guys can see. Okay, so let's see now what I have in my Bolide 27. Okay, this is my sunglasses from Gentle Monster. Okay, this is my Louis Vuitton pochette, mini pochette I think. So in here I carry a recycle shopping bag, my earpiece and a lip balm. It's my wallet, my small wallet which I got from Hong Kong. Okay, and this is a small pouch which I carry some painkillers, dental floss, another lip balm, and this is the anti-blister foot stick. My tissue. Okay, my phone from office, my earpiece casing, my umbrella. I have to have that in whenever I go out, and my LV Eclair, I don't really know how to pronounce it. Okay, a pack of wet tissue. Okay, and a phone case. Okay, this is because my iPhone is, I'm using my phone to flame now, so I'll just take out the casing and just and this could like substitute my phone. So I'm not gonna try to fit everything here into my Constance 24. Okay, this is my Constance 24. So this is in the size, I believe the length is 24 centimeter. Okay, and this is what the storage space in the bag. It's not, definitely it's not as roomy as the, let me see if you are able to see. Okay, definitely it's not as roomy as the Bolide 27, but I'm still quite happy about the storage capacity because it fits what I need to bring out on a daily basis. So let's start with the essentials. Okay, so as I've said earlier, I need to have my umbrella. Okay, and just trying. Okay, I'll need my pochette. Okay, so I need my phone as well. Okay, my Louis Vuitton coin pouch, and most importantly, my wallet. Okay, and my phone from office. Okay, let me just, I'm not too sure whether I'm able to close the bag. So, okay, my tissue casing, the wet tissue. Okay, as you can tell, it's fully stuffed now. There's no way I could fit anything else in the bag. Okay, let's see if I'm able to close it. Yep, no problem. Okay, so maybe I could fit another lip gloss or lipstick and stuck it here. Okay, but other than that, as like what I'm able to fit into my Bolide, my sunglasses, my earphone pouch, and the other pouch are not able to fit into the Constance 24. So, but all in all, it still fits quite a decent amount of things. So I hope this video is useful for any one of you who is thinking of getting the Constance 24 or the Bolide 27. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.